For the past few weeks, my friends and I have been talking about one last big trip before we lead to our separate paths. Especially now that graduation is creeping closer, I doubt that we'd have any time to do it. But before we say our goodbyes to this chapter of our lives, we're determined to make our dream a reality, to plan the adventure of a lifetime. Welcome to Project BGC.
Mak, gising na Mak. Pre, gising.
Let's go!
Hi guys, so we're currently going to BGC right now and MJ. What?
Ngayon, sino mo mga suot namin?
What song?
Sino yung mga suot namin? Yan, sino yung mga suot namin? Big check.
City.
Yes, the chat.
City boys. Plano namin mag-karaoke kaya pang nasa biyahe pa. So, let's go. Yan na lang kata namin guys, magre-relax kami.
May soul.
Trust me, you'll be fine. Wala pa? Ay, wala pa pala.
Dalawa.
MJ?
No. Ikaw ang tangi kong inibigin. Wait, naisip mo.
Okay guys, we just landed. Hello! Woo! Here na po kami, nakapag-park na lahat-lahat and stuff. So, big check.
Aking pagmamahal, sana lang may masuklian. At ang nais ko lang, sana iyong maramdaman.
So guys, punta na kami there. And see you guys inside. Kasi medyo mainit dito. So, see you. Bye! Hi guys, so dito na kami sa mall. And salamat. Mainit.
Hello, we're here
Malamig
at
na
Western Appliances.
Hello po. Hi!
David. Sige, ito na camera. Hi, Mao.
Si David guys.
Pass the ball.
So, guys, mamaya, binalik na naman agad sa akin. So, magkasama yung dalawa guys. They're also taking a vlog. Do some vlog. So, I'm here with Marco. And, actually, I don't know kung saan kami pupunta right now. I guess that's it. Tapos hanap muna kami siguro ng, I don't know, maybe resto. Mga kainan or something. Kasi, ewan ko, hindi ata enough yung hindi ata enough yung breakfast nila kanina sa bahay. Ako kasi, honestly, hindi rin ako nag-breakfast kanina, so Mukaya, I thought na yung only one mapapasaya ka kita. In my own way na hours of friend is the abot gitna yung street. Ayoko. Nagugutom na rin ako. Go!
Fine lang, pero tara ita.
Ox lang.
May treat me.
Let's go! Bro, say hi.
Hi.
Ang ganda ng view guys.
As you can see, maganda yung view. Parang si MJ Martina.
Pwede ako makita? Pwede ako mas...
We're leaving Uptown na po. Hi guys. So, we're leaving Uptown and we're headed to Makati.
Hello! Hello, Mac. Isang ilang. Isang ilang, Mac. David. One high. So, now we're just on our way to McKinley.
Nakagutom na. Gusto ko na mag-lunch.
Gutom na kasi. Time check. It's 11:41.
Just waiting for your Grab.
Ayun na, may kumarating.
Wow!
Shoutout kay Kuya Armando Ninal Marilag, 5 stars NHC 231.
Wow.
Toyota Vios. So right now,
Nag-aantay kami ng Grab.
I'm on my way now.
Alam mo yun, parang dati lang. Badya, sabay apat na. Now we're just doing Grab. I want to show the view, but I'll change the cam. I'll be back.
So guys,
Hello!
tatapos na lang.
Hello!
Magtatapos muna kami ng barya dun sa may... pwede mo na look at the photo. Pwede mo tanong.
Okay, let's go!
Tama.
Ngayon ay... Anong oras na? Time check. Alas 12 na, it's already 12 na. So,
magtatapon namin ito. Tapon namin ito. Ito lang.
1, 2, 3. So we are at McKinley and ang init talaga. Init guys. So McKinley tayo ngayon and first time natin here. Itutour tayo ni Mr. David Francisco around McKinley.
Hello po, we're in McKinley Hills and for today we're going to pick wait lang.
Let's see, I update my mother.
Updating the mother. So today, anong gusto natin mga boys? Kita po
Guys,
natin,
alam niyo, guys.
pininturahan niya ni Michelangelo.
Kung bakit tayo nag-update sa mga mother natin dahil sa taong to. If you know, you know.
Currently deciding saan kami kakain right now.
We eat at Monkey Nasal.
Where's Mami
Let's check.
Good check.
Guys, we're here. At we're pagod na. Pagod na. After some time. Galata mo naman pre. Pa lang. Ito sa ulo guys. Go back to the vlog. It's my first time here. Oh wait lang pre. I'm scared in the dark kasi. Can you hold my hand? Kasi takot ako sa dark eh. Underground ka na. Hindi naman pala ganun kadilim.
So, tapos na po kami sa Michigan ka na ng init po. So guys, we're gonna say goodbye na sa Michigan ka na. Bye guys!
Like, 30 pictures.
Bye-bye!
So, where is our next destination mga boys?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Ito na pre, ang pinaka-inaabangan.
Hi guys, so nakasakay na po kami ng grabe na we're on our way to Mind Miss Easy. Guard, kanina pa ang init sa labas. Gato siya kainit sa labas eh. Ano mo naman? Ang sakit sa ulo. Ikaw, tol. Ang tatanungin ka.
Ano yun?
Masakit sa ulo.
Super. Like, I cannot talaga.
Dito ang ulo ko, parang yung antok ko ngayon. Pero, one thing is for sure. Matututo tayo sa Mind Museum. Kaya, stay tuned guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Finally
guys, so we just got our ticket. Mind Museum.
Let's go.
Hello everyone, so for today we're inside the park. Saan po marami tayo makikita mga... So I'm vlogging. What's up? Pahinga mo pre. Listen to the sound. Listen to the sound. Ang sakit sa tenga.
Naging cobra.
Guys, we're going up. We're going up, boys. We're going up. Uy! Okay, okay. Let's go. Let's play, guys. Let's play.
These are official Mape Club Sports Champ. Cool chant. That's what we play nung tinambahan kami ng 90. Okay.
My face.
Ano yun dyan? Slide ba? Paunahan po sila. Kari ko na una. First time makalabas sa kulungan.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun. I say it's alright.
Show the pic, show the pic.
Ang ganda po sana, diba?
Bugs.
Uy, ganda.
Eh, may sumingit na nakakagigil na nakakairita na ayoko na makita buong buhay.
Tupik ngayon, no?
Tol, pakita mo yung galit mo sa camera.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Mind Museum. Dito na kami right now guys. And it looks fantastic. Ang scientific ng lugar. Siyempre, museum nga. We go astronomy.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you?
No.
Can I call you Rose? Cause your fragrance takes over the
You know that the International Space Station is a permanent station in outer space?
Whoa.
Who is that? Graduate, how does it feel to be on Mars? Now we're going to the space shuttle. Let's go!
More learning equals more fun.
Yo!
Let's go.
What?
Oh my guys, so we're here. We're here at the room.
You see this? We're in a circular room.
Solar storms can cause serious damage on. Why is it every 11 years?
Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 What? Wait! Ewan ko na dun.
Guys, I'll teach you. Kuya, what are you doing? Ay, bro. Hey, what can you say about the dinosaur? How? What?
Once more, you open the door.
Boy, hey, what is this, bro? What? Crocodile. Lotte Caramel.
What is your name, sir?
Wait lang, asin. Ipas mo ba? Asin mo, ano ka?
Ayun.
Ito, pre.
I'm
Play this, what do you call that?
This is what you call an electronic.
Emporium.
Listen. Come. You come. Listen.
Ooh. Can I play to?
You can play, bro. You can play. Ooh. Wait, the Mozart. Come on, Mozart.
Ay, Mozart may ano.
Ooh.
Ay, ready? What the? We're in the pearly shells? Oh! What a scallop!
Guys, pagod to kami. Pero enjoy ito. Ang ganda ng museum, guys. Recommendable. It reinforce our memories.
Thank you po. May museum for having us. Thank you po. You guys have fun? Yes. You guys have fun. Let's go.
Monster.
Marco, pagod ka na po ba Kuya Marco?
Ayoko na po.
Ay, Kuya MJ, okay ka pa po ba? Pagod ka na po?
Kaya pa to.
Para sa'yo, idol. Para lang makita ka namin, lads.
Wait lang ako.
It was really our last trip together, a journey that marked the end of an era and the beginning of a new chapter. Well, nothing truly lasts forever. And so, as the night gave way to dawn, we embraced the promise of tomorrow. For this wasn't just a trip. It was a celebration of friendship, a testament of the power of adventure, and a reminder that the greatest journeys are the one we take together. Welcome to Project BGC.